Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm here in my balcony sitting down, and if you hear noises, so I'm sorry. The dogs are barking as always. So this video is a really special video, and in this I'm going to tell you 10 things that you should simply follow for a healthy and successful life. So I am no entrepreneur or a guru that is teaching you, but these are my 10 ways and I think कि मेरे को ये share करने चाहिए आप लोगों से. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that you should simply follow is do not touch your face without washing your hands. Guys, it is really important कि आप ऐसा ना करें, क्योंकि हम कितनी सारी चीज़ें छूते हैं एंड पता नहीं. अभी तो पैंडमिक के टाइम पे एवरीवन इज़ रियली कॉशियस एंड दे आर वॉशिंग देयर हैंड्स, सैनिटाइजेशन इज़ हैपनिंग, बट दिस इज़ रियली सीरियस मैटर जो कि आपको कंसिडरेशन में लेना चाहिए. एंड प्लीज़ डू नॉट टच योर फेस विदाउट वॉशिंग योर हैंड्स, बिकॉज आपके हैंड्स पे बहुत सारे जर्म्स होते हैं जो कि आपके फेस पे लगते हैं एंड दे कैन लिटरली गो इन टू योर माउथ एंड मेक यू रियली सिक. सो दिस इज़ the first thing that I would tell you guys to do, and which I also do. The second thing that we should all follow is by taking a bath daily. I know इस lockdown में everyone is really clumsy and lazy, and सबका ऐसा मानना है, यहाँ तक कि मेरा भी ऐसा मानना है कि अगर बाहर नहीं जाना है तो नहाना क्यों है. तो leave that thought aside. That is a really bad thought which enters your mind, and taking a bath is really important. By it makes you feel fresh, and I do not need to explain the benefits of taking a bath, but this is a really important thing that you should consider, and effectiveness should be there. So the next thing is, I have all things written in my notebook, and the next thing is apply a good fragrance. You guys, applying a good fragrance is really important because it makes you feel really lively, fresh, and make you feel awesome and terrific. And बहुत एक पूरा दिन ऐसा लगता है कि आप महक रहे हो. So this is really important. Apply a perfume or apply a deodorant, but apply something and feel fresh for the whole of the day. So the next thing is follow your skincare religiously. घर में अगर हम बैठे हैं and we are doing nothing, not taking a bath, not applying a fragrance, and not doing our skincare is really bad, because अगर हमें इतने टाइम बाद घर में बैठने का मौका मिला है, but I know the situation is bad outside, but अगर हम घर में हैं, so we need to take care of our skin really religiously, and apply a sheet mask, apply a clay mask, or do everything to make your skin look plumpier, if that's a word, and fresh and bounce and everything. So follow your skincare. I truly recommend it. The next thing is drink lots of water. Hydration is important. Drink lots of water, and it really helps in everything. It also makes your skin feel really fresh and glowing. So I do also drink a lot of water, 3-4 bottles in a day, which is really necessary. और आपके weight loss में भी help करता है. People like me who are trying to get their weight loosed and चाहते हैं कि वो थोड़े स्लिम हो जाए मेरी तरह, बिकॉज आई एम अ फैट किड एंड आई नो दैट. मैं बचपन में बहुत पतली थी, बट उसके बाद आई गॉट PCOD एंड आई बिकम रियली फैट. बट ड्रिंक वाटर एंड इट विल हेल्प लूज योर वेट. The next thing is eat healthy food. This is not a thing that I would follow and tell you guys to follow, but I have recently really looked up upon कि healthy food खाने से बहुत सारे फ़ायदे होते हैं, and you can cheat once in a while, once in a week, but healthy food is something that you should really eat and follow in your daily routines, because अपनी skin को एक glow देने से एक glow देना better होता है from यूजिंग. अगर आप एक एक्सटर्नल प्रोडक्ट्स भी यूज़ नहीं करते, बट इफ़ यू आर ईटिंग हेल्दी, दैट वुड मेक अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस. The next thing is do what you love. Literally do what you love. If I love making videos, I do it. If I love listening to music, I'll do it. And if you guys love reading books, watching series, watching films, you can all do it in this pandemic, and this will lead to a peaceful life. The next thing is reduce your screen time on your phone. This is a really पर्सनली एक्सपीरियंस थिंग जो मैंने खुद एक्सपीरियंस किया है कि माई स्क्रीन टाइम ऑन फ़ोन वॉज 9 hours 10 hours एंड इट वॉज रियली गेटिंग मेस्ड अप इन माई हेड एंड माई आईज वर इरिटेटिंग एंड ऑल. सो आई डिसाइडेड कि मैं अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ गेम्स खेलूँ, कार्ड गेम्स एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड आई रिड्यूस माई स्क्रीन टाइम. इससे क्या होगा कि you guys will also have some time to spend time with your parents and आपका screen time भी कम होगा and your mental health will also become really nice. So the next thing is talk to your favorite people. I literally talk to my favorite people, some of my friends and my relatives and all. हमेशा मैं उनको वीडियो कॉल करती हूँ, मैं उनसे बातें करती रहती हूँ. दिस विल रियली हेल्प. आप एक मेंटल पीस अगर चाहते हो, दिस विल रियली हेल्प. एंड किसी भी रिलेटिव से आप बात करो, किसी भी फ्रेंड से बात करो विद whom you are talking you are comfortable with, and yeah, this is a really nice. The next thing is get me time. This is really important. Get space for yourself, and sometimes remaining alone is really better. It's okay to not be okay, and अपने साथ time spend करो, spend time with yourself. After this pandemic is over, go with alone dates. I always go to alone dates, and मैं हमेशा अकेले जाती हूँ. When I always go to my favorite place, and वहाँ पे मैं मैकडी जाऊँगी और अपना favorite खाना खाऊँगी, and I'll be happy by when I'll return back to home. And alone time is really important. आपकी mental health को बहुत ज़्यादा एक peace मिलता है, and I really recommend doing that. These were the 10 things that I follow and I recommend you guys to follow, and this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, so do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with more videos really soon. Bye.